Using sawgrass with cotton is finally possible thanks to their new VersiFlex system.
Hi, I'm Jessica from Just Designing For You. And as a small business owner and creator, I know how important it is to achieve quality professional results without the complicated setup. Well, I am here to show you all about the VersiFlex ink system and how it can level up your crafting hobby or business. So stay tuned and let's see together how it works, what it does, and if it's the right fit for you. These are the two types of paper you're going to be using with your VersiFlex ink system, the VersiFlex Light and your sublimation paper. Sublimation paper is obviously for your sublimation blanks, your polyester coated items, and the VersiFlex Light paper is for your cotton, your untreated wood. The possibilities are endless. Setting up my Sawgrass printer was a breeze. All I did was go on their website and look at their videos, and I followed the step-by-step directions. Here's the magic, the VersiFlex ink. If you notice there is no black, you're gonna need the expander for the ink to work correctly. All you're gonna do is take them out of the packaging and put it into the machine just like that. They snap in and you're ready to go. Now, getting to the paper, you really need to be careful to see what side you are going to print from. Make sure you print on the correct side and you put that side facing down. Then I went into my design software, I printed out my image, and if you see it comes out wet, make sure not to touch it.
I know that image placement is a little stressful because you have to put it on wet. Well, I am showing you here my trick on how to place your image correctly. I crease my shirt first. I make sure that I line it up exactly how I want it to be. That way, when the image is placed on, I know that it will be placed correctly every time.
Once it's done pressing, you need to remove the image right away. If you don't, it will start drying and you won't be able to pull it off correctly. My issue was I didn't have enough pressure and I needed a pressing pillow. Remember, it's all trial and error, and that's how we learn. Now let's load up the printer with sublimation paper. I just take out the VersiFlex Light paper and I put in my sublimation paper. With the TruePix paper, you have to make sure that you are printing on the bright side. So the bright side goes down. And then I just went into my Sawgrass and sent it to print.
I'm so impressed on how beautiful these colors came out. Just like it did with the VersiFlex paper, it came out vibrant and beautiful. I taped on my image with some heat-resistant tape, and then I set it in my press for 380 degrees at 140 seconds. My one suggestion is to look at the time and temperature and gauge what would work best with your heat press. Look at how beautiful this cup came out. I also wanted to show you this mug that I did earlier, and it looks so good on ceramic as well. I just can't get over the versatility of this VersiFlex ink system. With the VersiFlex system, you could definitely sublimate on all different types of items like I'm showing here. Getting back to making shirts, the white one was done with the VersiFlex ink system. This one is done with HTV, and this gray one has been done with DTF. Now, although they all look great, the one that took the least time was the white one done with the VersiFlex ink system. Just like with sublimation, light t-shirts and especially white ones work best with this VersiFlex system. Because the ink comes out wet on the VersiFlex light paper, you want to make sure not to touch the image because it will smear and then you won't be able to use it. One of the benefits is that VersiFlex holds up to 30 washes with no cracking. Now, I haven't gotten there yet with 30 washes, but when I do, I will definitely let you know. What I love most about VersiFlex is that you get sublimation-like quality, but now on cotton. You don't have to do all those extra steps like you do with DTF, and you don't have to do the extra steps like you do with vinyl. All you have to do is print it out, press it, and call it a day. It's not meant to replace everything, but it's a solid add-on to your business. All the helpful links for settings, software, and tips are down below if you're ready to try VersiFlex yourself. And if you have any questions or want me to test something specific, drop it in the comments so we can learn together.